Good morning, grade 12, and happy National Day. Right now you're having a feast, and I just don't think it's the right mindset for me to come in and talk about the break and to talk about preparing for mocks. So instead, I'm sending this video message for you to watch in your own time over the coming weeks. And to do so, I will just de-category myself. Okay, so I just wanted to leave you with a couple of reminders and a couple of takeaways, because I've really enjoyed having a number of conversations with many of you this week to do with deadlines, to do with mocks, to do with the pressure, to do with missing deadlines, to do with stress levels, to do with the importance of family, and the stress that still surrounds us with it being a pandemic. And I think it's obvious that, it's evidence of how high our emotions are running after this really difficult term and this really difficult year. And you've made it, and you've held it together, and I'm proud of you for that, because I know that this term has been really, really tough. I know that when you come back, you have a number of deadlines. The TOK essay, there's your maths IA, there's then your mocks, there's then the language orals, and it's going to be another full-on month when we return. So please make sure you use the time you now have ahead of you wisely, okay? A few things I wanted to share. Firstly, you are in control of how you spend your time. You are not controlled by time or by deadlines. You get to control how it is you are going to spend your time and what it is you're going to do with your time. So if we count the days from starting tomorrow on Thursday, there are 576 roughly hours until your mocks. You need to sleep for at least a third of that. So that leaves you 384 hours between now and your mock exams. So organise it. Organise it in a way that you can manage. Give yourself time to have a rest, and give yourself time to focus on those areas that you know you need to look at because your confidence is feeling knocked. If you are really stressing about a subject or about an IA, go there first, because more likely than not, you'll be feeling that way towards it because of your confidence and because of that doubt, which, again, after this really difficult term, we will have, okay? Everybody is carrying that little bit of uncertainty with them at the moment. So sort that out first, get your confidence back, and organise your time, because there's plenty of it. If what you are doing is not working, then stop, pause, reflect, change something, and try again. If you are there working on revising physics because of the physics exam that's coming up, you're revising chemistry ahead of your chemistry exam, and you've told yourself, I must revise this for 3 hours, and you get an hour in, and you're like, I can't do this, then stop, don't do it. Stop, pause, reflect. Why is it that I can't do this? Am I needing a brain break? Do I need to go out? Do I need to see my family? Do I need to do something totally different? Or is it just I'm not feeling chemistry, I'm not feeling physics right now, and actually I feel like I could do some English, I feel like I could refocus myself on my French. Stop, pause, reflect, and make that change. You're in control of how you spend your time, so don't waste it. Again, the example, if it's not working, think, right, I need to group study. I'm going to just try and phone around, see if I can get some people together this afternoon and let me go through this with my friends. Or maybe you think, right, revision's not working, I don't like this textbook anyway, I'm just going to go in for a past paper, I'm just going to get on with those past questions that the teacher gave me. Or go out for a run. The weather is gorgeous at this time of year, guys. Get out there, enjoy it, remind yourself of how great it can be to be outdoors. And just chat with your family, chat with other people, take that time out, watch a rubbish movie on TV, have some chocolate, and then come back to it, okay? And then factor that in for your next day's revision. If you notice that you had a real lapse over lunchtime, then don't put the pressure on yourself to be working over lunchtime, okay? Own who you are, own the decisions that you are making with regards to your revision and to your work. And also keep perspective. I've spent a lot of time this term speaking with the grade 11s about how the DP is really only a stepping stone to get them to where they want to be afterwards. And that's where you are. You're on this stepping stone and you're just about to take the next step. And it gives me goosebumps to think about it. There's a bigger goal here. Get excited over the holidays about what that next step is. Remind yourself, I know you've been working on your applications, but maybe just read, some student reviews on the university websites, or Google what the shopping's like in the city you're going to, or Google what the train station's called and where can you get to on the train. Just start thinking a bit about what the future holds, because it's going to be really exciting, and hopefully it will give you that little bit more motivation and that little extra push to get you through this next hurdle of the break and the mocks, because you are going to get there. You're going to get there. It's just a matter of time. You know, without us doing anything, time will keep ticking, and before you know it, it will be the 5th of July and you'll be getting your results, and then you're there. Okay, so you are going to get there, and we just want to make sure that you feel great along the way. Okay, that's everything, guys. Have a wonderful break. I can't wait to see you again in 2022. 2022, don't forget, is the year you're going to graduate from CISC. You're going to complete the IB. You're going to go to university. Are you going to leave home? This is a mega year, guys, and it is just around the corner. The future is yours. Have a fantastic break. Look after yourselves. Stay safe. I'm at the end of an email if you need anything at all. I look forward to seeing you refreshed in January. Okay. Masalama.